So in this video I'm going over the Tigtak UE3 belt printer parts kit that I received from Tigtak. This is going to be a part 2 of the Tigtak belt printer build. I can already tell you a little spoiler, this parts box wasn't complete at all. In this video I'm going to show you what I've got, and well, during the build in an upcoming video you're going to see which kind of parts you are going to need if Tigtak is going to do a little bit different than the parts box that I received from them here on Zachary's 3D Prints. Hello, this is Zachary and welcome to this video. In the first part I disassembled the whole Creality Ender 3 Pro to build my belt printer. I'm not going to give any spoilers, but this is going to be part 2 where I'm going through all the parts that I received in this messy box. Well, let's get into the video. So I hope Tigtak is going to manage their boxes way better, put the screws in bags which have also a label what is inside of the bag, or how many screws or how many nuts or how many T-nuts are in those bags, so that if you are going to start with it, that you can have everything well organized, that you don't mess up. And also, since the Creality Ender 3 having all in black aluminum extrusions, so I hope for the future that they are going to also provide, instead of the blank aluminum extrusions, black ones, so that everything looks uniform, that it looks much more nicer. And like I used to see in the Voron kit, that all of those extrusions are very quality packed, making sure that you have everything without scratches, without any grease residue, that all of the axes are looking very nicely, that it is all clean. I do like that for you as a viewer, but also for myself. I would like to have some clean parts that I can work very nicely with it. I already started with the build, and I can already tell you, since there was a hole in the box, I already lost several parts, and I don't know which parts I'm missing, because some parts don't fit or are too short. So I don't know what was supposed to be in the box. And to Tigtak, please make sure that if you are going to send it, that there is a little bomb of material, so that everybody can see, according to a little list, what is supposed to be in the box, so that if you are missing something, that you can manage to order the parts in a local hardware store, so that you can continue building it. If you're still watching this video, thank you, you are amazing. Do you know that I have also YouTube memberships where you can support this channel on monthly base? You can also support this channel just one time. There is a thanks button under this video somewhere down here, where you can support this channel just one time. There are also other ways to support this channel as well. Just give a like and subscribe if you are brand new to the channel. So thank you so much for watching, and feel free to share this video on other social medias, and we will see each other next time. Peace. Bye bye. Tigtak UE. Oh my gosh. United. I don't know where UE3 stands for, but anyways, I'm building it. Yeah! So this is part 2 of the belt printer build project, or the belt printer project, or the Tigtak UE3 belt print. I don't know.